Paul Blart's Garage. All right, guys, check this out. Got this today in the mail. I ordered it and about a week or two ago, and I'm just starting to put things on here since I'm out for the COVID virus, and just doing little stuff here and there. And I've got a window sticker, you know, to put on the window shield there, which I'm kind of holding off on this. I'm not sure it's what I want to do. It just says Mopar Hemi on it, and it's nylon. I really don't like the way that you have to cut it and all that stuff, because it just doesn't look right, so I ain't put that on yet, but that's what that looks for. I paid $14 for it on eBay for 2 of them, and it may not be where some of you would put it, but that's where I put it. And these are going to be removed. I'm going to replace these with another kit. And anyway, this is what it looks like when you get it. It'll come in a package, and it's pretty heavy, and it feels pretty good. It feels like it's pretty good material. It looks legit. But if you're interested in where I got it, paid a little bit over $14 ship. Took about 5 days for it to come in. And if you want to know who the eBay seller was, then just hit me up and I'll post a link in the channel. But anyway, this will do it for Paul Blart's Garage. Just kind of a little something I put out there for y'all to look at. I think it looks good myself. It may not be your thing, may not be where you put it, but that's where I put mine. But anyway, Paul Blart's Garage. Peace out. Bye.